Discover the MojiDecor BBQ Light, the perfect companion for every grilling adventure. Featuring an 11cm flexible gooseneck that rotates 360 degrees, it allows you to direct light exactly where you need it. Its powerful magnetic base securely attaches to any metal surface, whether upright or flat. Made from durable aluminum alloy, this light withstands high temperatures and harsh weather, but it's also versatile. You can live for camping, reading, biking, or working on projects. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable and versatile flashlight that goes anywhere? The FIBRAVE LED Torch is built with durable hard rubber and an aluminum head for effective heat dissipation, ensuring long-lasting performance. With 5 adjustable modes, including red warning and strobe, plus a rechargeable battery via USB, you're always prepared. Its 360-degree rotatable head, magnet base, and hook let you illuminate from any angle and keep your hands free. Compact, lightweight, perfect for outdoor adventure, repairs, or gifts. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Image BBQ Light, your perfect outdoor grilling companion. Featuring 2 adjustable lamp holders that rotate up to 90 degrees, it covers your entire cooking area with bright illumination. Equipped with 10 high brightness LEDs emitting over 100 lumens, plus an adjustable 90-degree tilt, it provides customized lighting. Easy to attach with the handle mount clamp and operated effortlessly with the touch sensor switch. Is waterproof and heat resistant for reliable outdoor use. Elevate your grilling game today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for the perfect grill lighting solution? The Image Grill Light offers a powerful magnetic base that easily attaches to most metal surfaces, making setup a breeze. As 5-inch, 360-degree flexible gooseneck and swivel head allow you to direct light wherever you need it. Plus, the built-in side light provides extra illumination for safety and convenience. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it's weather and heat resistant. Powered by batteries for ultimate portability. You'll find purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for the perfect barbecue companion? Meet the Image BBQ Lamp. With a powerful magnetic base, it securely attaches to most grill or stove tops, no tools needed. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it's weather resistant and ideal for use in rain or snow. The ultra-bright LED offers 2 adjustable brightness levels, and a flexible gooseneck allows you to direct light exactly where you need it. With long-lasting batteries, enjoy up to 12 hours of bright light. It's hollow, a great versatile gift for any dark work. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for the perfect barbecue helper? The Image BBQ Light features a powerful magnetic base that easily attaches to most metal surfaces, making setup a breeze. Its built-in side light offers a wide lighting area, while the 360-degree flexible gooseneck and zoomable swivel head allow you to direct light exactly where you need it. Crafted from weather and heat-resistant materials, this outdoor grill light is durable and reliable. You'll find the purchase link in the description in a pinned comment. Looking for the perfect grill light to enhance your barbecue experience? The Image BBQ Light offers versatile power options with rechargeable batteries or standard AI batteries, so you can choose what suits you best. Its magnetic base and metal plate make it easy to attach to iron or non-iron surfaces, giving you maximum flexibility. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it withstands high temperatures and lasts long. The flexible gooseneck and adjustable head let you easily direct the light exactly where you need it. Plus, it's rechargeable via USB with handy indicator light. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.